Hello, welcome to College Preparatory Math class. I am Mrs. Reese. I'll be your instructor this term, and I'm excited to get started with you. For the week one discussion board, we're going to be looking at ways that we actually use rounding and estimating in our everyday lives. So let's try to think creatively this week, as we would want to do every week in the discussion board, but specifically this week because it seems like we use rounding and estimating almost every day, all the time when we do things. In my own life, for example, let's say that I'm going to go to the grocery store and I know, first of all, that I'm going to have my son with me, so I need to pack diapers. I know first that I don't need to pack 10 because I'm only probably going to be at the grocery store for an estimation of 2 hours. But then while I'm there, I only have $50. So hypothetically speaking, I need to take every little thing that I purchased and I need to total it up, including the change, and make sure that I'm rounding the total cost of each item that I'm putting in my buggy correctly so that I can estimate a total that is less than $50. Hopefully my son doesn't have an accident while we're there. Those are some good times when we all use rounding and estimating. If we're grocery shopping, if we have children that we're out with, thinking about how much milk to plan for, a formula for a newborn, things like that. We have to plan our time, how much time it's going to take us to get ready in the morning before we go somewhere. We have to think about if you don't use measuring cups or spoons, sometimes we round or estimate the ingredients in a recipe. We do it a lot. We do it all the time in our lives. So now it's time for us in the discussion board to talk about those unique and interesting times that we do that in our own personal lives. Share those stories, connect with our classmates, and just kind of talk about those things because math is a real thing. It's real in our lives and we use it every day whether we like it or not. And if we think we're good in math or we're bad in math, it's just something that we encounter all the time. So that's the way that we're going to embrace this class this term, that math has everyday applications and we're just going to learn it and make it easy. Okay? That's how I like to look at math. I like to look at it as being not anything to be afraid of, not anything to be overwhelmed about or to be scared of, but math is real and it doesn't need to be that difficult. So again, this is Mrs. Reese. I welcome you to our class this term. You can reach me on my email that is available through the course at nreese@swfc.edu, and I look forward to this journey with you. Again, welcome.